Day, please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Kayla Di Francisco, 24 and single. I have three sisters. I don't have a brother, and I am a third child of the family.
Okay, what is your highest educational attainment?
I am senior high school graduate. I didn't go to college because of financial problem.
Do you have a work experience as a domestic helper abroad before?
No, ma'am.
Okay, please tell me about your work experience as a domestic helper here in the Philippines.
My work experience here in Philippines as a domestic helper for 2 years.
Okay, so how many family members your employers have?
5, ma'am.
Okay, and who are they?
4 adult and 3 years old kid.
Okay, so only one kid.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the one taking care of the kid of your
Yes,
employer?
ma'am.
Okay, what are your other duties?
My duties is cooking, cleaning, and doing housework like
Oh.
washing clothes.
Okay, and are you also the one doing the marketing for your employers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how about what is your main priority?
My main priority is taking care of the baby.
How would you describe your employers? Are they good to you?
Yes, ma'am, they're good to me.
And is there another helper in your employer household?
No, ma'am.
How would you describe yourself as a worker?
I'm a hardworking and I can manage my time and a happy person.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery before?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because of family and to support my sister's studies.
Okay, so it means you need a financial support to support your family and your sister education.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a baby in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby did not stop crying?
If did not stop the baby's crying, I will check the temperature or or
Okay, so what will you do if you check the temperature and the baby is sick? What will you do?
I will check the temperature if the baby is sick, and I will tell my employer.
What will you do if the children are naughty or not listening to you?
I will be a patient and understanding mom.
Okay, can you sing a nursery song for kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give me example.
Okay, ma'am. Like this. Baby shark it do 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 do, baby shark it do 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 do, baby shark. Mommy shark it do 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 do, mommy shark it do 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 do, mommy shark. Daddy shark it do 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 do, daddy shark it do 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 do, daddy shark.
Okay, thank you. Do you have a food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the kids or elder in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, by the way, are you willing to share, is it okay for you if your day off is not Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, ma'am.
And would you accept no day off but instead to be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're homesick, would you break your contract and insist to return home?
No, ma'am.
And are you willing to take care of an elderly in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Okay, please say a short message to your future employer.
To my future employer, ma'am, if you hire me as a domestic helper, I will promise to you I'm a very hardworking and kind, trustworthy, and I will finish my contract.
Okay, are you willing to extend your contract if your employer requested to?
Yes, ma'am, if you need me.
Okay, are you can you promise also that you will serve the family of your employer with all your heart?
Yes, ma'am.
And to promise also that you will love the children of your employer
Yes,
like your own
ma'am.
family.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
that's all for today and thank you for coming.